Ever wondered how a small Swedish company became a global retail giant? Get ready to uncover the revolutionary designs, covert marketing tricks, and genius strategies that have transformed IKEA into a household name. Watch till the end to learn how you can apply these brilliant tactics to skyrocket your business. 1. Understanding IKEA's unique selling proposition, USP. The company's competitive edge lies in offering fashionable, practical, and affordable furniture and home furnishing products. Their strength is the ability to combine design and functionality with quality, all at low prices. By keeping products affordable and adopting a straightforward manufacturing approach, they appeal to a broad consumer base without sacrificing quality. 2. Flat pack design and self-assembly. IKEA revolutionized the furniture industry with their flat pack design. This approach reduces shipping and storage costs, allowing for lower prices. Additionally, self-assembly not only cuts down on manufacturing expenses but also engages customers in the production process, making them feel more connected to their purchases. 3. Showroom experience. Their showrooms offer immersive experiences, strategically placing products to guide customers through different zones and potential home layouts. This setup helps customers visualize how items will look in their homes, leading to more impulsive and larger purchases. The store-within-a-store concept ensures customers pass through all areas, increasing exposure to a variety of products. 4. The IKEA catalog and digital presence. The print catalog and the firm's internet catalog have been powerful marketing tools for years. They not only showcase products but also provide interior design inspiration and organization tips. Eye-catching visuals and relatable content draw customers in, while their user-friendly website allows for easy planning and purchasing, even from home. 5. Pricing strategy. Their pricing strategy is a key factor in their success. By using cost-effective materials and processes, they keep prices low and accessible. The concept of democratic design ensures that affordability is maintained across their product range, attracting budget-conscious consumers and solidifying their market position. 6. In-store services and add-ons. IKEA enhances the shopping experience with a variety of in-store services, including IKEA Family, a loyalty program offering exclusive discounts and events. Assembly services, professional assembly for those who prefer not to do it themselves. Delivery options, convenient delivery services, especially for larger items. In-store cafes, relaxing cafes encourage customers to spend more time in the store and make additional purchases. 7. Sustainable practices. Sustainability is a core value. By using eco-friendly materials, optimizing production processes, and promoting recycling, they appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. This commitment not only boosts their brand reputation but also aligns with growing consumer demand for sustainable products. 8. Strategic store locations. The company carefully selects store locations in suburban areas with ample space for large showrooms and parking. Positioned near major highways, these stores are easily accessible to a wide customer base. High-traffic areas maximize reach and convenience for shoppers. 9. Global expansion and adaptation. The global expansion strategy involves tailoring product offerings and store layouts to local preferences. Through market research and understanding cultural nuances, they ensure their products resonate with customers worldwide. This localized approach has been key to international success. 10. Innovative marketing campaigns. Their marketing campaigns are renowned for their creativity and impact. From humorous commercials to interactive social media campaigns, they consistently engage and entertain their audience. By tapping into current trends and cultural moments, the brand remains relevant and memorable to consumers. By understanding and implementing these strategies, you can learn valuable lessons on attracting and retaining customers, driving sales, and building a strong brand presence. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more business tips and strategies.